What is up, Pennyverse? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, welcome back. So right here, I have here a package. Yes, this package has just arrived, and thank goodness it reached me on time, because tomorrow and the other day will be the Chinese New Year, so there will be no mailman, postman going to deliver this. But yes, it has arrived. So right now I'm gonna share with you what's inside this box. So maybe you're thinking, yeah, sure, it's an BMX part. So I'm so hyped with this. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. Let's unbox this one. Let's go. We'll use the key to open this package. Fresh. So what we have here? Woo! Oh my god. Good job. Yes, so we have here new set of tires and one piece shadow truss rim. So we're changing rims, and I'm ready for this. Yes, my cassette already dismembered. Already removed my cassette with my old rim, so I'm gonna put it here with this shadow truss rim. So yes, this is also a double wall rim. Okay, yes, take shadow. And we have this kink, the right kink tire. So yes, we have this 2.2. So I was experimenting on this because my back tire is 2.4. The Mission Tracker 2.4 on both front and back, and right now I want 2.2 at the back and 2.4 at the front. So this is the 2.4 and the 2.2. So at the back, I will have less drag. So that's what the pros say. So let's proceed to the configuration of this. So we have the right tires and the shadow truss rim with okay, I have a freebie. Cinema bulb cut. Yes. Of course, I also ordered 40 piece new set of spokes. Yeah. So let's go. Let's install this. So this is my second time, yeah, building a wheel. So from spokes to rims. And I need a copy. I'll use my front rim, so it will be my guide. Because the first time I made one set of wheel took me almost 7 hours. So right now maybe I'm maybe 4 hours. So it's okay. So maybe I'll time lapse this one, and let's check this out. I'm gonna still use my old Rant cassette hub, and with this shadow truss rim and new set of spokes, and later we're gonna build the whole bike and change tires. So yeah, time lapse, ready, set, go. Yes, so there you have it. Right now I'm gonna align this. I'm gonna true. Well, maybe not true, I'll just tighten it up because the rim is not yet used. So it will have the true, the truing, the true alignment. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Let's go. So, shoutouts to E-Clap for the spoke wrench. Alright. So there you have it. I have finished building my wheels, and for a change I have a 2.2 back tire and then a 2.4 front tire. So let us see what will be the feeling. So right now it's 10 p.m. and it's kind of late and can't ride. So I'll see you tomorrow and let's try our new setup. Yeah, thank you very much for I.H.Bmx. So if you're here in Taiwan, you can search PC store I.H.Bmx, and yeah, I always order to him and he delivered it. Very good, and you got some freebies. So tomorrow we'll ride. Let's try this new baby. Yeah. Boom! So there you have it. Good morning, everyone, and now we're gonna test our new kicks. Yes, our new wheels and tires. Let's go. So there you have it. I think my pedaling with my new tires, the pedaling and cranking is very light. So I have more speed and it feels so light. Yeah, especially when you do a tire slide. Yes. So it's wet outside. It rained last night, so and I feel satisfied with my new tires. So it's very light. Yeah, we'll do some tricks and let's see what we can do. Let's go. Yes, got that one. Remember, never give up. Your tricks will come true. Yeah. Whew. Damn it. So there you have it. Thirsty. Hey. So in this life, you must pursue. You must never give up. But always remember, there is always a tomorrow, okay? But do your best today. You'll never know if there's tomorrow for you and me, okay? So have the best of every day and thank God for everything. Let's go, let's do this. So after 100 tries, I landed it, but not what I expected. We survived. So I'm your Pengy Warrior III. I'll see you in the next one. And good luck with our new wheels, new tires, more riding, even it's raining. Take care everyone. Peace out. Always and will be. To God be the glory. Yeah.